I'll try to speak up. I know some of you are in the distant back of the room, and we have people in the gallery still as well. I'll speak as loudly as I can. My name is Charlie Canwitcher. I'm the director of the School of Art, and it's an honor to welcome you to the 2022 BFA Thesis Exhibition and to present our exhibition awards and prizes. It's been 3 years since we last welcomed family and friends to the BFA exhibition opening. It's so good to see you. It's a wonderful show. A round of applause right off the bat. Defined as the time at which something is most powerful or successful, the word Zenith was an inspired choice for the title of this year's exhibition. For the past 4 years, some a little bit longer, under some pretty difficult circumstances, you students have worked hard to reach this culminating moment. Despite the challenges and with support from faculty, family, and friends, you've persevered and made a body of work that is certainly the zenith of your academic coursework. It's a kind of declaration of independence, telling everyone that you're ready for the next phase of your careers. In watching you hang and install your work this past week, I was struck by how this year's exhibition feels different from previous years. I asked faculty about it, and they agreed something is different this year. We think maybe it's connected to the fact that whether made with traditional or digital media, there's a lot of absorbing, interactive work requiring close and careful attention. We see a wonderful range of styles and media, unified by high levels of craft and care in the making of the work. This show strikes us, the faculty, as being about the range of ways we can be present for each other, patient and understanding with each other, and attentive to each other's needs. There's a tremendous energy in the show. It's forward-facing, it's filled with the optimism and creativity, and it feels really good. A lot of you are motivated by a desire to be useful in addressing pressing social problems. More than ever, our society needs the creativity, the problem-solving skills, and the resiliency of artists and designers. And many projects in the show devoted to heightening awareness of mental health practices, race and gender identity, environmental concerns, and many other issues prove you're ready and willing to take up the challenge. In the past 4 years, you've learned the capacity to succeed as artists, designers, and teachers, or in any other kind of profession you might pursue. Wherever your path leads, you'll be able to adapt to challenges and find opportunity in them. You all have terrific futures in front of you as makers and thinkers, as a vehicle for positive change in the world. Congratulations to all the participants in the exhibition. So on to the awards. We have 3 categories of awards. We have faculty awards, purchase awards, and external juror awards. I'll begin with the faculty awards. Faculty award winners are selected by the school's faculty because these are the people, your teachers and mentors, who know you and your work best. Not all the faculty award winners that I'm announcing this evening have worked in the BFA exhibition, but we use this opportunity to bring attention to their achievements as well. So I'll begin with the Aaron Macy Memorial Scholarship, which honors an outstanding BFA or MFA student in ceramics who exemplifies the strong work ethic, devotion to community, and passion for learning demonstrated by former MFA student in ceramics, Aaron Macy. This year's winner is Lexi Schimpf. Do your best to raise your hand so we can kind of see where you are. Lexi. The Allison Rednauer Excellence in Ceramics Research Award was established just this year by Tom and Bonnie Rednauer in memory of their daughter, Allison Rednauer, a student in ceramics who received her BFA in 2006. Allison passed away in 2020. In her time at BGSU, Allison embodied the spirit of our ceramics program. She was a talented artist and studio leader who contributed greatly to the energy and the atmosphere of the studio. The award will be offered annually to a student pursuing a BFA in studio art or a BFA in art education with an emphasis in ceramics. The award offers financial support directly related to the student's research proposal. Happy to announce that the first ever winner of the Allison Rednauer Excellence in Ceramics Research Award is Aaron Rosa. Aaron, you have to tell me, right? The David Caton Memorial Scholarship is given each year to an outstanding BFA art education student or students in honor of long-serving School of Art faculty member David Caton. We have two winners this year, David Caton Memorial Scholarship. They are Jordan Santa Maria and Haley Bowlby. Right in the back, right in the back. The James W. Strong Studio Achievement Award is annually awarded to an outstanding student in the studio division. That includes photography, painting, drawing, printmaking, sculpture, jewelry, metals, glass, and ceramics. Amity Rose is the winner of this year's The James W. Strong Digital Arts Studio Achievement Award honors outstanding work in the Digital Arts Division, and the winner is Colleen Violanti. Did I say your name correctly? Violanti. You got it. The James W. Strong Graphic Design Studio Achievement Award for outstanding work in the Graphic Design Division goes to Sophia Lamas. The James W. Strong Outstanding Senior Award. The criteria is excellence of studio work, a GPA in the upper 20% of their class, and the quality of service contributions to the School of Art. The James W. Strong Outstanding Senior Award winner is Madison Wentz. The Marilyn Singleton Medici Circle Leadership Award recognizes outstanding student leadership in organizations and special projects. There's an undergraduate and a graduate version of the award. We announced the graduate version at the MFA exhibition opening. This year, the undergraduate winner is Anna Zidorevsky. I hope I said that correctly. The Mark Boris Memorial Scholarship is very special to the school. It was established to honor the legacy of remarkable students in the class program, Mark Boris, who passed away while still a student. Mark was a program leader, so the scholarship is awarded each year to the class student demonstrating a strong sense of campus and community involvement and leadership. And that person this year is Hannah Bolas. Back there somewhere. The Robert W. Hurlstone Memorial Art Class Award is given to a BFA studio major specializing in the class program in honor of long-serving School of Art faculty member Robert Bud Hurlstone. The award goes to students participating in fundraising and volunteer activities, and a student who has future plans to continue in class study or professional work. Alyssa Radke is the winner. The Tom and Jane Vanden Photography Award was generously established by former School of Art faculty member Jane Vanden. It's given each year to a current full-time BFA studio major exhibiting photographs in the BFA exhibition. Ashley Stasek is the winner. had funded a second award, the Art Education Award, and that recognizes the achievement of a current full-time BFA art education major. Bethany Branham is the winner. So next, we turn to our External Jurors Awards. This year's External Jurors Awards were selected by Joseph von Kerkhoff. He's the Assistant Professor of Art. He's an Assistant Professor of Art and Gallery Director at Tiffin University. Our thanks to Mr. Van Kerkhoff for his thoughtful selections. The Monnier Family Foundation Outstanding Artist Award is presented to an outstanding student from either digital arts, graphic design, or the studio division who's been highly active within studio art. And each year, those divisions nominate a couple of students. So we have a total of 6 nominees. They are Tony Sansalone, Aaron Rosa, Grant Turner, Colleen Violante, Al Van Boven, and Jordan Gerard. For his beautifully executed and presented sequence of drawings depicting family and friends, this year's Monnier Family Award winner goes to Tony Sansalone. That's his mother behind the beating. The Dominic and Elizabeth Ladino Art and Technology Award honors a current BFA major exhibiting in the BFA thesis exhibition who displays artistic talent and an ability to blend science, technology, and aesthetics. And again, there are 6 nominees. I'll read out the names of the nominees and then winner. The nominees are Alyssa Radke, Dawn Fenbo, Courtney Smith, Grant Turner, Vanessa Oz, and Tessa Hazelton. The winner is Grant Turner. So now we come to our third category of award, Purchase Awards. They're selected by external partners and friends of the School of Art. We're always grateful for their support. The first of our Purchase Awards comes from the College of Arts and Sciences. Each year, the College of Arts and Sciences purchases BFA exhibitions for permanent display in the college's offices over in Central Hall. This year, they purchased a striking group of abstract paintings made by Claire Tillman. The Medici Circle Purchase Prize Award also provides for acquisition of student work. The work will become part of the Medici Circle's permanent collection, which is housed within the School of Arts collection. A little bit later about the Medici Circle and the wonderful work they do. But right now, I need to tell you that Kiara Reynolds is the winner. Last of our purchase awards is the Bowen Thompson Student Union Purchase Award. And as with the College of Arts and Sciences Award, this award for the purchase of on permanent display, this time in the Bowen Thompson Student Union. Staff from the Bowen Thompson Student Union have made a selection. They are going to purchase work by Lake Thomas. This is for the wonderful set of Space Queen superhero posters. You all saw them for the back of the gallery. And the Bowen Thompson Student Union is also purchasing a graphite drawing by Gabby Stahl. For the work deemed by our external juror as the most outstanding in the BFA exhibition, call this the Medici Circle Cup Best of BFA Show Award. The Medici Circle Cup Best of BFA Show Award. Sponsored by the Medici Circle Friends of the School of Art. We have 2 representatives from the Medici Circle right here. The Medici Circle is a group of volunteers who over the course of 40 years have raised funds on behalf of the School of Art students. 19 of the students in this year's BFA exhibition received support from Medici for the purchase of materials and supplies related to the the production of work would happen, including the, very high level of quality in the BFA exhibition. You can find information about how to support Medici in their mission at the School Arts homepage. The winner of this year's Medici Circle Best of Show Award is Erin Rosa. Aaron didn't notice yet, but his name is going to be engraved on an award cup kept in perpetuity inside the School of Art. It's like the Stanley Cup. So this concludes our award announcements. To all of the BFA thesis students in the class of 2022, creating and presenting the work of your BFA thesis is a significant milestone. It's the first step on what I trust will be a wonderful professional journey. So on behalf of the faculty and staff of the School of Art, please accept my most sincere congratulations and best wishes for your future success. You make one? Well, go ahead. I'd like to announce that at 7 p.m. upstairs in room 204, that's our history classroom, some of our BFA thesis students are going to be screening their animations. They have work in the Michaelman Gallery right now. It's on a small monitor though, and work is sequenced one after the other. So it's a little difficult to stay and watch all of it. So at 7 on a bigger screen up in room 204, they're going to be screening animations. So do take advantage of that. Before we adjourn, a heartfelt thank you to all the students, faculty, and staff who worked so hard on the installation of this wonderful, I think you'll agree, very technically complicated show. I want to offer special thanks to Kiriana Bird, Troy Freeman, Bailey Drummond, Ray Phillips, Bug Shoemaker, Hannah Horak, Leah Peterson, and Leah Patterson for the wonderful work they did in assisting Jackie in installing the show. These are undergraduate participants in the exhibition who supervised the installation of the work. Also want to thank Amanda Gargas, Peterson, Kim Waterfield, Yamin Shu, and Mark Woodstrup. These are faculty who were tireless in their efforts to get the exhibition into the gallery. Thanks also to graphic design student Al Benbow, who's made it possible to view all of the work in the BFA thesis exhibition and the list of award winners at the school's website. So all the work in the exhibition will be going onto our website and will be available for viewing. As always, thank you to Gallery Director Jackie Nathan. Where are you, Jackie? Jackie deserves special consideration because every year she puts up with us. And every year she manages to wrestle this BFA exhibition into shape. A sprawling, multimedia extravaganza, and it looks fantastic. So thank you. And thank you.